Hi everyone, welcome back. So today it's another video for the movement control order, stay at home, and I don't know what else to do, so I decided to make a makeup video. We're going to play with makeup, and I have these big palettes right here. This is quite big. This is actually the Morphe Gems Charles palette, and there's a lot of colors, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Maybe I'll do something like a smoky eye or something with this color. I haven't decided yet, so it's going to be fun and spontaneous because I haven't think of any look in my head, what I'm going to do, what kind of makeup I'm going for, so it's going to be interesting and fun. Without wasting any time, I'm going to start. First, I'm going to use this. This is a concealer, a Shape Tape Contour Concealer from Tarte. Wait a minute, I got a text. I'm going to silence my phone for a while because I just want to focus on makeup right now because I'm doing a video. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to use this. This is a BB cushion from... Where are you from? Suki girl, yeah. I'm going to put it on my eyes. By the way guys, my eyebrows looks very light because I bleached it. My eyebrows are so freaking light. I haven't done my brows yet. Oh my god, I forgot about that. I'm going to do my eyebrows first after this. Okay, I'm going to use this one. This is the Innisfree Also Eyebrow Pencil. I've been using this a lot as a Korean beauty brand. This is a really good eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to brush my brows just like this. So let's go to the eye. For eye makeup, I have this brush with me. I haven't cleaned it yet, so I'm going to use this to clean my brush. Okay. And from this palette, I think I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it all over my eyes. Okay, I'm done with that, and then I'm going to take a shade called, I don't know. I literally put the shade name right here so that it is easy for me to look at, but then I don't know. I'll just show you the color instead. So after that, I'm going to take this color. This one is quite interesting because it looks so freaking red. It's not really red, it has orange undertone on it, but we'll see how it looks like on my eyes. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to take this kind of brush, and I will deepen the color. I'm going to deepen it using this shade, this one. This is so random. I don't know. I just hope that it will turn out great because I'm not even ready to see how it looks like at all. After this, I am going to using the same brush. I'm going to take a dark shade like this one, and put it right here. Okay, that is pretty dark. This palette is actually pretty fun because you can come up with a lot of ideas, but I'm always out of ideas, so I always didn't really reach for the palette, even though if I reach for it, I always use a natural kind of shade. So I'm done with my eyes. No, actually I'm not. I have to like blend the edges like this one. It's so weird. I need to blend it. So to blend it out, I have this brush right here with me, and I'm going to take a little bit of this, the one that I use as a transition shade, I guess, as the base color, of my makeup. So I'm going to blend it out. From here, I'm going to blend it up here. I'm going to just take a little bit of it, just a little bit, out, and then just blend it at the top. Just blend it here. This brush, using the same dark shade, just do it like that and press on the same area lightly. Don't put too much pressure, just put them on lightly. So I'm going to use the same concealer, put it at the back of my hand. I'm going to do a half cut crease. So I'm done with my like half cut crease thingy. Is that how you call it? This shape, this one. Put a little bit right here. So I'm going to add glitter right on my crease to make it more interesting. I don't know how to put it in words, but I guess you call it interesting, I guess. I'm going to use this. And then just put it underneath my eye. Put down here. I'm going to highlight my inner corner using this shade, this baby right here. So I will be right back. I'm going to put on false lashes and then I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup. And see ya, just in a minute. So I'm done with my face makeup. See that? I put on false lashes. You see my false lashes? It's not looking that good at all. I feel like it's not that good, but I've tried my best. This is how it looks like. But for lips, I'm still torn between this lip from Kamelia Cosmetic. I don't know if it will works well on my lips, or this one lip product from Amelia Cosmetic. Amelia Cosmetic, yeah, this one is a lipcloud, a matte lipstick. This one is a little bit more color, darker shades, and this one is lighter. So I don't know which one is good for me. I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Swatch it on my hand. And then this one. I am not sure which one I should wear. The pink one or the brown one. Maybe I'll just try this first. If it is not that good, then I'm going to switch to Camellia one. So this one is the Amelia Cosmetic Lip Cloud. I'm going to try this one. This is the Kamelia Cosmetic. Using my finger, I'm going to blot it. Finger. So this is the final look. I thought that my makeup will be disaster, but turns out that this makeup is quite pretty and I love it. I kind of like my eye makeup. I never tried this kind of eye makeup before this. I think I did try before, but I kind of forgot. I don't really remember, but I never thought that it will turn out to be this pretty, because I did not plan what kind of makeup I'm going for, and I'm just choose whatever color from this palette and just put it on my eyes, and it turns out to be pretty nice and pretty good. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy watching, and please stay safe, stay at home. If you go out, don't forget to wear a mask. And yeah, see you again on my next one. Oh, before that, once I reach 500 plus subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway, but I don't know what kind of giveaway I'm going for. I'm still thinking what kind of giveaway I'm going to go for, because I like K-pop. I do K-pop related content as well. I do makeup, I do vlog. Maybe I will stick to makeup, I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I will think about it, and once I got more than 500, I'm going to reveal what kind of giveaway that I'm going to do. So don't forget to subscribe, and then if you don't want to miss any new video from me, any next new video, just click on the bell button. And for this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you again on my next one. Bye bye.